Come test drive this 2016 Buick Cascada. This two-door, four-passenger convertible provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a power convertible top, a trip computer, heated seats, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.